So this is my quick review of the 4-inch AIYIMA full range driver from China. Now the unboxing experience is pretty disappointing. This is how they arrive from China, although fully protected. Not a great unboxing experience, and there are no gaskets, and I must say I am disappointed with the screws that come with them as well. However, I do feel these are good weighted cast metal drivers and are certainly attractive to look at, and very substantial compared to the steel 3-inch ones that I have reviewed previously. Now, having used these drivers in my latest project, I can certainly say that I am seriously impressed the sound they produce for the cost that they were. I have also put links below where you can obtain these speakers, and I must say the delivery from China was very quick indeed. A quick sound test will now follow. Unfortunately, it's only royalty-free music from YouTube, but please do let me know what you think. And if you like my videos, please do remember to subscribe and give me the thumbs up.